Hello friends, welcome back to another video of top SQL 50 question solution. So in this video we are going to solve the problem that is number of unique subjects taught by each teacher. As you can see in the screen, there is an SQL schema with the table name of teacher, and there are three columns here with the name of teacher ID, subject ID and department ID. The data type of all these columns are integer, and they are saying we are requested to evaluate the answer for the calculation of number of unique subject of each teacher in the university. So basically you have to give the result table in any order, and the result format is shown in the following example. As you can see in the teachers table, there are two IDs, the 1 and 2. So that means there are two teachers in a department that are teaching various subjects. And how many subjects are there? There are almost 4 subjects being taught by 2 teachers in the department. So when they are saying to calculate the number of unique subjects each teacher teaches in the university, that means we need to count the subject that has been taught by a single teacher. So as you can see, the first teacher is teaching the second subject, and the same idea is here. So that means the one teacher is teaching the same subjects in different departments. So the count for a teacher is 2. The teacher 1 is teaching 2 subjects. And as you can see, there are 4 subjects in a line that have been taught by a single teacher in a single department. So that means the second teacher is teaching 4 subjects. So the count is 4. So this is kind of easy problem that we can easily solve through SQL script. So what we have to do first of all, you need to go on to the right of the panel for writing the code and start writing the script like select teacher ID, comma, you need to evaluate the count. For this purpose I'm using the function that is called COUNT, count, and obviously there are multiple subjects, so we need to take a distinct operation as well for the unique subject IDs and give this column as the name CNT from the table. The table name is teacher. So basically you have to give the teacher keyword right here, and after that you have to group by the teacher IDs. This way you can count the number of subject for each teacher. So this is the script that you can easily use to evaluate the answer. When I just click on the run button, it is testing the result, and there's a runtime error. You have an error in your SQL syntax. There is some kind of error over here. Let me check. This is saying check the manual that corresponds to your SQL server version for the right syntax to use near distinct subject ID. Alright, so here is a problem. There is an issue with the script of a syntax error right here, but I am writing it correct. I guess there is a dependency of the server version for the right syntax. I guess so. Let's copy this command and go for MySQL. Let's check here. Yeah, basically there is a dependency of the script of a version with MySQL. So when I just have execute this script in MySQL server, so it has accepted the case 1 and it has passed the result. So this is the solution for this, I guess. So there is some dependency with MySQL here with any kind of version over here that is not being supportable with the keyword that I'm using in the script. But when you are shifting towards the MySQL server with the same script, the answer is being extracted. So basically you have, when you are going to submit the answer, it will be accepting it. So it is judging right now, and after judging it, it has accepted the solution. So the solution is all correct and the problem is solved. So that is all for today in this video. As you can see, our script is also been written right here, and it has shown us the runtime of 1362 ms. That means 67.55% of our audience have been beaten by this query. So that's good, and that's all for today.